Hey, second graders, it's Mrs. Brink. If you were not able to join your class today for the live on Zoom writing lesson, we have something that you can do to that will be kind of similar to what your class did. In class today, we all wrote stories together. So you can do something similar, and you have two choices. The first choice, right here next to number 1, says you can write a story with some ideas from us. The second choice is you could tell a story with your family. If you choose to write a story with some ideas from us, you'll click on the words. It takes you to the next slide. If you decide you want to tell a story with your family, you click on those words next to number 2, and it takes you to that slide. This picture of the moon inspired us to come up with some ideas, and that's where those ideas came from. So everyone can look at this picture and still get some ideas. If you decide you're writing a story on your own with ideas that we helped come up with, what you'll do is pick one setting, one of these characters, and one of these problems. So you might choose to write a story that's set inside of a video game, or on the moon, or in a dream. You might write about a character that's a child, maybe even you, maybe an alien, or the talking moon. And then what is your problem going to be? There's a magical portal that goes to the moon. There is no more daylight, it's always dark. Or your character's lost and can't find the way home. So they don't all have to go across. So you don't have to write inside of a video game about a child where there's a magical portal. You could choose to write something that's on the moon and the character is a child who's lost and can't find their way home. So pick one of each of these to write your story, and you can share it with your teacher. If you want to tell a story with your family, we want you to brainstorm some ideas with your family using this picture to inspire you. You might ask, like, what does this picture remind me of? What could be happening in the picture? Who are the characters in this story? Where is the setting? What is the setting? When is the setting? What is the problem that's happening in this story? And then after brainstorming some ideas with your family, tell the story. You might even choose to write it down, and you could share that with your teacher. All right, authors, off you go.